I'm going to show you how you can set up your Wi-Fi extender for Verizon, specifically the CE1000A model. First off, there's going to be two methods as well. There's going to be wireless pairing and also wired pairing. For wireless pairing, all you have to do, first off, you have to plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet next to the Verizon Internet Gateway and wait for a solid yellow light. After that, press and hold the WPS button on the Wi-Fi extender CE1000A for 3 seconds and then pair button on the Verizon Internet Gateway within 2 minutes. Both devices blink blue while pairing. If there is an error during pairing process, the status LED slowly flashes red for the 2 minutes after the error occurs. Once a solid white or blinky yellow light is observed within the Wi-Fi extender of the CE1000A, it's paired. After that, unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet and then move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area and then plug into the power outlet. And if the LED indicator turns solid white, your setup is complete. For the wired version, all you have to do is that you have to connect to the Wi-Fi extender to the router via an Ethernet cable and then plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet and wait for a solid yellow light. If both devices blink blue while pairing, if there is an error during the pairing process, the status LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes, like usual. And then once a solid white or blinking yellow light is observed within the Wi-Fi extender, and then it's paired. So you can see the LED status indicator is around there, right? After that, that's it. You're done.